Click on the link below to get discount. The Major Fitness Drone1 Power Cage stands out as an exceptional addition to any home gym setup, blending versatility with solid construction. Upon unboxing, the first impression is of its robust build quality. The frame is made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring stability during intense workouts. The powder-coated finish not only enhances durability but also gives it an appealing aesthetic that complements various home gym styles. One of the best features of the Drone1 Power Cage is its multifunctionality. It accommodates a wide range of exercises, including squats, bench presses, and pull-ups. This allows users to perform a full-body workout without needing multiple pieces of equipment. The adjustable safety bars are a significant safety feature, providing peace of mind during heavy lifts, especially when training alone. The cage also includes various attachments like dip bars and a pull-up bar, further expanding its versatility. Setting up the Drone1 is relatively straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Most users can assemble it within a couple of hours with minimal tools, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly handy. Once assembled, it occupies a modest footprint, making it ideal for home use, whether in a garage or a spare room. Another highlight is the weight capacity. The Drone1 can support an impressive amount of weight, accommodating serious lifters as well as beginners. The adjustable components mean that it can grow with your fitness journey, catering to various exercise levels. However, it's worth noting that while the cage is sturdy, it may require additional floor space than some smaller equipment. Additionally, while the assembly is straightforward, having a second person can streamline the process. Overall, the Major Fitness Drone1 Power Cage is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about building their strength training routine at home. Its combination of stability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal makes it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts looking to enhance their workout experience.